Hello guys, this is RCman13. Today I'm not doing a review. I actually I'm asking a question today. I was wondering if one of you guys could help me out. Not that experienced with nitro engines, but did everything I was supposed to do start up and it won't start up. I'll show you. Like, first, turned on the controller. Turned on the switch. Okay, it steers right. It steers right. Though. It steers right. But this is where the problem comes. I put the igniter in, fully charged. Then I take this, try to start it up. But it just won't start up. Thing is, I was wondering, side here, I'm just gonna take this igniter out. It looks like right here that it looks like the fluid's going through here, but then I can see it's good here. Well, there's nothing in here, but when I squeeze on here, it seems like there's fluid. But then it goes into here, this little chamber thing right here. I'll get this out of the way. If you can see that, this tube leads into right here, and it seems like it's getting blocked or something. And I was wondering if there's any way I could fix it without going to a hobby shop and buying parts or something. If I could like just make some adjustments for it. And I want some comments on it. And if you got some answers for me, just leave it in the comment section of this video. And I will respond pretty quickly. I just need some help right now on this engine. It's kind of bothering. Yeah, I'm kind of mad about this, and I just want to get it started up. And I was wondering if you guys could help me out and tell me if I'm doing anything wrong. Okay, stay tuned next time for more reviews and more run time on RCs. Comment, reviews, subscribe. See you guys.